Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me JBL Tune Buds, and in this video I am going to show you how to connect these earbuds with two different devices at same time. So let's start. So here on this side I have Android device and here I have iPhone. First of all, I will connect them to the Android device. So first of all, put these earbuds back into the charging case and then turn on the Bluetooth settings. So I will bring down this quick panel. I open the Bluetooth settings and here first of all I will turn on the Bluetooth. So now here after scanning it will show you JBL Tune Buds. Just select it and then it will start making a connection with the Android device. So here you can see it is giving me the option of pair. I will just select it and then it will start pairing. So here you can see JBL Tune Buds are now ready to use and they are connected. Now what we have to do on our iPhone, we have to open the Bluetooth settings. So just turn on the Bluetooth setting, just select this Bluetooth icon, press and hold it like this, and then again press and hold it like that, and then you will see this option of Bluetooth settings. Just select it. Once you select it, what you have to do, you have to take out these earbuds and you have to wear them. So I will just wear the left earbud and I will put in my ear, and then I will also take out this right earbud. So after putting this right earbud in your ears, you have to tap on it 2 times, and on the second tap you have to press and hold it for 5 seconds. So I will show you. So I will wear it like this and then I will tap it 2 times. So 1, 2. So after a second tap, I will press and hold it for 5 seconds, and then here it will show you JBL Tune Buds in your available devices in your iPhone. So now here you can see it is showing JBL Tune Buds. So what you have to do, just select it and then it will start making a connection. So here you can see now it is connected. So now it is already connected into the Android device. You just have to go back from here and here you can see it is now connected. You can also check through the app. So I will open the JBL headphones app. So here you can see JBL Tune Buds are also connected to my Android device, and here on my iPhone it is also connected. So now I can use these earbuds for both of these devices at same time. For example, if you want to play some music on your Android, it will work, and then you can stop it from Android and then you can play from your iPhone and you can listen it through your JBL Tune Buds. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.